try to solve some problems. You know, when we try to connect to a printer through the network. In this case, let's say the printer is connected to other computer, and we want to connect it to that printer through the network. And most of the time, we have errors, like the error 0x000003E3. I found on the internet a lots of problem with this. Lot of problems. A lot of people try to search for solution without no result. At this time, I'm gonna try to solve the type of problem. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is try to make that tutorial now really clean desktop. I'm gonna try to hide in my icons so then I can have a nice and clean desktop. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna try to do is to demonstrate. We're going to device and printers, add printer. The printers on the network. Okay, here's the printer I tried to access through the network. So click next. All this because I know my old network is set up correctly. I know, so that's why we had no problem to detect the printer. But the problem is here. This little screen, it told me I have problem with access and security system that should be fixed in this computer, in my computer. So we click install drivers. It's nothing. It's nothing. See, this is the error that I'm talking about. 0x000003E3. If you put this on Google or search to Google or any other search engine, you're gonna find out a bunch of problems. Everybody has a problem with this. Okay, we go to the network sharing. The first thing we have to make sure we join what they call the home group. Is the home group is where everything is for share, like the printers, videos, the whole files. So we go here. It's over here. They say available, join, right? Or I can go straight to choose a home group and share options, right? See, I got the option over here where they say join now. We're gonna click join now. Okay, click next. Okay, because I know the printers on my main system, and I know the password also, my home group password on my main system. So that password I have to input here to join the work group and make sure that I can access the files and the printer. Otherwise, I can't install the printer. So I'm gonna input my my password because I know where I have open, open. Uh, okay, I don't mind. This is my home group password. Uh, I'm gonna change it later, but anyways, nobody else deal with my computers, with my system. So I'll just keep uh, copy and paste. Okay, next. View print the password group. That's it. Okay. Control panel. This is the next important process, important step. If we don't do this, we're not gonna have a printer on this computer. So we go into the allows programs or features through Windows Firewall. We gotta looking for this file and printer setting. Okay, we're gonna say it over here. Oh no, everything is okay. It's checking. It's not. We have to click on the and click change the setting. Click OK. Okay. After finish all the steps we did before, we can go to start, go to network. Um, I know this is the computer that I want to connect because the printer is connected to that computer. So all I gotta do is make a double click, or you can make a right click. Select it, right click. You can do double click or just right click and choose connected. Go back to the firewall again. Control panel. Firewall. Right here. Right here. Change it. Setting. We click OK. We click OK. Now we gotta go back to the device and printers. Add printer. Network. And next. And hopefully this time it's gonna be installed. Install the driver. The printer is gonna install correctly. Okay. It's good. Waiting. Next. Finish. The printer is installed. Now we can check the printer's property. If we want, we can print the test page, but the printer is already installed. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.